Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I have my sister for a video that I asked her to collab on. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Yogesh's sister, like he told, and we're just gonna look into a few things on ChatGPT on how it actually works. I'm not sure he's gonna tell me how that works, but yeah.
So it's a fun little experiment that we thought we would do. So we're gonna quiz each other on topics that we have absolutely no clue about, and we are just gonna see if ChatGPT can do a good job explaining the topic in a way that we understand. So let's see how we can use prompts in ChatGPT to achieve this. So, do you want to go ahead and give it a start?
Yes. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT
Mm-hmm.
to explain me about daylight saving.
Daylight savings. Oh, we had
Yeah.
daylight savings just today. Like I think we
Yes,
switched.
it started today.
We went ahead of 1 hour, I believe,
Yes.
right? Shit, yeah, I forgot that too.
So,
Daylight savings.
and I want ChatGPT to explain it to me like an actual human with words using and just like a normal conversation, like
Okay.
it's making a normal conversation with
So
me.
I'm gonna record my screen so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm recording my screen, display to. Yep, that's it. I needed to. So you wanted it to explain like a human. Hey, Chat GPT. For guys who are seeing my screen, I'm using the Wolfram GPT, which can answer questions like this, precise scientific questions. Can you explain what daylight savings time is? And can you also use human like gestures like let me put that inside um etc. I hope that ChatGPT understands. What else did you want it to do? Maybe explain it like you are a child, like with analogy. You want analogy, like giving you
Yeah, that
example.
would be something different. You can try
Okay,
that out.
maybe also give me analogies like I'm five. Let's see. Let's see how well it can do. Shit, I need to really work on my typing skills there. Anyways,
Yeah.
wow, ChatGPT. Oh, it's giving more. Okay.
Alright, let's talk about daylight saving time and let's make it simple and fun. Kind of like explaining it to 5-year-old.
You can actually read it loud, so even the audience can see it. It's okay. Go for it.
Imagine you have a favorite toy that you can only play with when it's sunny outside. Now, you wouldn't be awesome if you could make the sun stay a little longer in the evenings so you have more time to play. That's my,
Kind of what daylight
my
saving times
earphones
does.
are falling off. I have to like fix
Oh
them.
shit! Sorry guys. Earphone issues. Okay, I'll help you guys out here. So it basically says. Okay. Now, what ChatGPT says is, imagine you have a favorite toy that you can play only when it's sunny outside. Only when the sun outside, you can play with that toy. Okay. Now, if you wanted to play with that toy so badly, don't you want the sun to be a little longer so you can play
Yes.
with it for more hours, right? So you have more time to play. That's kind of what daylight savings time does. It's like ticking the clocks to think the day has started an hour earlier. So when you normally eat breakfast at 7 a.m. during daylight savings, it suddenly is
Day, yeah.
8 a.m. This means more daylight in the evening. Interesting. That's one way to put it. Okay, so you have breakfast at 9 in the morning. Your work is at 10. I've seen you have breakfast at 9. So this means you can have breakfast at 10 o'clock right now, which is like 9.
And then go to work at 11.
And you come home in the evening, you have more daylight too. That's very good.
Yeah.
That's not bad. So basically, you're just shifting 1 hour back and having more daytime. Not bad. Now imagine all the adults in your town deciding that in the spring they will wake up 1 hour earlier. They change all the clocks in the night. So when everyone wakes up, it feels like they are staring at their day earlier.
They're starting their day earlier.
Shit.
It's okay.
Anyways, apologies for that. Starting that day earlier. But in reality, they just change the time. Okay, this way they get an extra hour of daylight after work or school to go do things outside. Then the winter comes, the days get shorter. Hmm. Okay. So we either, based on these two paragraphs, I can tell that we either save a amount of daylight in the morning when we wake up, or we choose to save it at the end when the sun is about to set in the evening. So we switch the clocks that we either get morning when in the morning when I wake up I need that extra sunlight, or later when we change it back, it's about getting more light in the evening. It's not bad. That's pretty good. So DST is daylight savings time is our way of making the day fit better when we're up and about, giving us more time. Okay, that's his conclusion. But I feel like I've had a fair bit of understanding about daylight savings. Good job. Anything else that you wanted to
No,
ask?
that's good. I understood.
Oh no, I'm asking any other topics. Let's
Oh,
quiz.
any other topic?
Wolfram will never judge you. He'll never be like, bro, you're so dumb, bro. He'll give answers, bro.
Any other topic?
Um,
Okay, explain quantum physics to me.
ooh, damn. Explain quantum.
But that, again, like that person's explaining
me?
to a 5-year-old, because
See-
I can't
Ah,
understand
yeah,
that.
sorry, but I need a good definition. Do you want that M and all? It didn't really help. You want that, or do you want it to just
No,
like,
no, no, that's fine.
like
Just
I'm a 5-year-old. Oof, okay, let's wait for it to. We should probably forward all that loading part. We should let it load and then. Shit, there's so much in so many analogies, bro. Shit. Okay, let's.
I know why I didn't understand Wolfram, but now.
It's okay. We'll try watching it again.
Okay, imagine you have a magic toy box. This isn't just any toy box, it's a surprise.
Super special.
Oh, sorry.
You know what? I think our eyes are effed. Let's zoom it. Yeah.
It's super special. Now let's think about quantum physics, like the rules that explain how your magic toy box works. But instead of toys, it's all about tiny particles that make up everything around us. For example, the surprise toy. When you're not looking, the toy in the box can turn into any toy imaginable: a dinosaur, a spaceship, or even a tiny unicorn.
Shit. Okay.
But the moment you open the box to see what's inside, it picks one thing to be, just like how tiny particles decide what they'll be when we measure or
Or it
look
could
at
be
them.
either one of them: dinosaur, spaceship, or a tiny unicorn. We don't get to choose saying you're gonna be that when you open the box. When you open, it's like, I'm a dinosaur today. You know, you happen to see a dinosaur. But okay, that's. I get.
And second is a toy telepathy. Imagine you have two toys from the magic box that become best friends. If you take one toy to the playground and leave the other at home, when one toy decides to be a spaceship, the other one instantly becomes a spaceship too. No matter how far apart they are, this is like entanglement in quantum physics, where particles can be connected in such a way that the state of one, whether it's spinning one way or another, can instantly affect the state of another, even if they're
Shit.
light years apart.
Okay, do you know how far light years are? Light years are like very far. So, what this thing says is, this is a best friend, my earphones, okay? This has a best friend, it's Buddy Earphone. This Buddy Earphone is 13.5 billion light years away, okay? In his friend's place. This one is at home here. If that starts spinning there, this one will spin. They're entangled. Like, wow. Like, I swear I did not know that.
I don't know if I'm gonna sound dumb, but
I sound.
is like a magnet also working that way?
Yeah,
Like
so every small thing.
what?
No,
if
that's magnetic
different-
waves. That's just
Okay.
like two magnetic waves. But
Yeah, like like how they
Attract.
but they don't attract each other. A few
no,
poles.
opposite poles attract. So every
Yeah.
magnet you see will have north and south. the south of one magnet will attract to the north of other magnet. That's why they say opposites attract, and they
Yeah,
use
yeah,
it
yeah.
even
Got
for
it. Yeah.
relationship also. Hey, I'm different from you, and all that shit. But anyways, that's one thing I did not know. I swear. Now I know. I feel smart. I'm gonna show off about this next time I go drinking with him, guys. But next thing, yeah.
The toy box pathways. If you send a toy car from one side of the box to the other, there isn't just one path it can take. In the quantum toy box world, it tries all paths at the same time. This is like particles in quantum physics that don't just take one path from point A to B, they explore every possible path
Simultaneous.
simultaneously.
Okay, that's not bad. Thing is like from A to B, if you want to go there, like I'll not go this way. I'll try all possible routes, making it faster to travel, whatever. That's good. The shy toys. Let's go through that.
Okay, the toys are a bit shy and only like to play when you're not watching them too closely. This is a bit like a
Heisenberg uncertainty principle.
principle.
Oh, this one China will keep talking about. But yeah, it's a very good topic. Go for
Okay,
it. Yeah.
where if we try to measure exactly where a quantum particle is, we can't also know exactly how fast it's moving and vice versa.
So yeah. So with my basic understanding of what this is, it's so quantum means we're going into the world of the minute. If I had to focus into this laptop million times into it, I'll see the smallest atoms. That's quantum world. So if I had to go ahead and measure a particle in there, which is like rotating or spinning, this particle might have been here, but when I see it, it'll just be like at any other point. So it's uncertain that when I focus there, this particle will be here. It could be at any time. And there is this thing saying that they go out of existence, they pop out somewhere. It's like telepathy. You vanish from here completely and you pop out
Pop
there.
out somewhere else,
Particles
yeah.
do that. They
Yeah.
have this thing where they just pop in and pop out. So that's interesting too.
Yeah.
So quantum physics is a set of rules that everything that make our world at the very very tiny level. Quantum, that's okay. Just plug it. Don't touch the side. Technical errors, technical issues, guys. Sorry. So that's two topics that we're smart about now. Any other topics? Let's do two more topics and then
Two more topics.
call it to an end. Yeah.
Okay. What's in my head?
What's been intriguing you lately? Like you could ask ChatGPT questions. It could be so dumb. Like your parents would have spoken about tax from their childhood. You would have also been like, yeah, bro, we're paying tax. But did you really understand why, what this thing? So I'm not saying it has to be tax. It could be any topic.
We can actually do tax. I'm not really like been educated enough with the whole tax thing, so let's do tax.
Explain tax as a beginner. Like I'm a 5-year-old, not I'm a tax like I'm a 5-year-old. This seems to be a very good prompt. So it will explain. Okay, let's see what it does.
I like how it says like toys, big box of crayons.
That's because we told it 5-year-old,
5-year-old, yeah.
But I was playing with toys even when I was 12, 15 also.
Yes,
Ben
yeah.
10, boys. Anyways, go for it. Let's see what it says.
Imagine you have a big box of crayons and you love drawing pictures with them, but you're part of a club, let's call it Playground Club. This club makes sure the playground you play in is clean, safe, and has lots of fun games and slides. Now, the club needs crayons to make all these things happen because in the story, crayons are like money. So every time you get a new box of crayons, the club asks for a few crayons as a thank you for making the playground awesome. This is like tax. People give a few of their crayons money to the club,
Big club.
the big club, the government, so it can do things like fix roads, run schools, and make sure everyone is healthy and safe. Sometimes you might wonder why you have to give away some of your crayons. Well, it's because all these crayons together help everyone have a better place to live, learn, and play. It's like sharing your toys so that everyone can have fun together.
It's like basically saying the government is like, dude, I'm fixing your road and everything, bro. Like, you're
It's
having
for
good
you,
roads and
so
all.
give me some money.
Yeah, I need to maintain all this. Give me paisa. And we're like, cool, bro, whatever.
Yes.
That's not bad. That's one very good way I could explain this
That's
to
good.
Naira, which is a small baby in our household. But if I had to explain to a baby, I would actually use that example. Yeah.
Okay. Next topic would be
What's on your mind?
explain bitcoins. How does that
Interesting.
work?
So,
Again, a 5-year-old.
so you want to, so blockchain is the tech. Okay, I don't want to explain. I'll make it too complex for you. But let's say explain Bitcoin like a 5-year-old. Okay. Technically, you should be asking blockchain. I know why. But for you, let's see if ChatGPT explains the difference between blockchain and Bitcoin. Yeah. Or if it just says what Bitcoin is. In Zoom it if you want to. Okay, wow, there you go. Okay, you can start reading from
Okay. All right. Imagine you have a special kind of invisible digital piggy bank on the internet where you can keep your allowance called Bitcoin. Unlike regular money that you can touch, Bitcoin lives on computers all around the world.
Virtual money, no
Virtual
physical.
money.
Okay, first point. Next.
Now imagine if every time you put money into your piggy bank, there was a super secret code that kept it safe. Only you know this code, so only you can get into your piggy bank. That's the kind of that's how Bitcoin works. It's very secret and safe because of special codes.
So you can only access it through your secret password. Okay,
Yeah.
that virtual money which you can't print, only on the internet.
But here's where it gets even more magical. Instead of having one piggy bank where everyone keeps
Big
their
bank.
money,
Sorry.
imagine there are millions of copies of your piggy bank all over the world. They all talk to each other to make sure no one tries to put in money they don't have or take money without secret code. This is done by a team of digital detectives. 1 second, for my earphones just falling off.
Don't touch the side. Yeah, continue.
Called miners. Oh, wait. It is done by a team of digital detectives called miners?
Miners. They're called Bitcoin miners. They mine for Bitcoin. They're mine for cryptocurrency in general, but Bitcoin is one of them. But yeah.
Who use their computers to check all the transaction and make sure everything is fair and safe. So Bitcoin is like a special invisible kind of money that's kept safe by magic codes and digital detectives, making sure no one can cheat or steal. And because it's on the internet, you can send it to anyone in the world without needing a bank or a truck to carry it. It's like sending a secret invisible note that turns into real allowance.
In essence, that's blockchain what it just explained. Bitcoin is a currency that blockchain does, but the actual technology behind Bitcoin, and you would have heard many other cryptocurrencies are in the market. There's Ethereum, but a lot that if you get into cryptocurrency investment, right, you'll see a lot of other names, Dogecoin and all of that. They're all based on one thing which is called blockchain technology. I don't know if you've ever heard of blockchain. If you wanted to understand what it is better, you need to ask ChatGPT what is a blockchain technology. So this entire technology where they talk about copies, the data, miners, the super secret code, that mechanism of how it works is a blockchain technology. But just think about Bitcoin, that it's this computer. If I bought a Bitcoin, right, I can access it over my mobile phone. Like a bank account, I can't access it over my mobile phone. That 10,000 worth Bitcoin is just on this computer. Only on this computer. If I lose this computer, I don't know how to recover it. Maybe you can, but it's only over here. And everyone else in the world who is a part of blockchain knows that if I had to get this 10,000 worth of Bitcoin, I can only extract it from Yogesh's computer. He's got 10,000 worth that I can only extract it, which if I'm transferring to them, I need to use a secret code, but I know that's going over your head. But yeah, that's Bitcoin just for అయిపోయింది భాగ్యమా.
ఇంకా కావాలంటే కూడా ఓపెన్ చేయొచ్చు.
I guess it's time for us to have more wine.